So this farmer was losing her birds, and the primary complaint was that the birds were sneezing. So as I was asking that question, I also discovered that the birds were passing out bloody feces. So for the sneezing, I told her to give them Tylosine for 3 consecutive days, and for the bloody feces, the bloody poo, I asked her to get any anti-coccidia drug from a vet shop and give them for 3 consecutive days as well. And 6 days later, when I chatted her up, she told me that the birds are all okay now, that they are no longer dying. But there's one mistake that she made. She mixed different age groups together. So she had 10 days old bird here and also 21 days old birds. And she also mixed different breeds of birds together. So for chicks, when you mix different age groups together, at night, especially if there is cold, you find out that they will cluster together and the bigger ones may just lie on top of the smaller ones, and that could just lead to death. Death due to stampeding, it is very common. Another thing that can lead to that kind of stampeding is when the birds are overcrowded and the space you provided for them is not enough. And because the space is not enough, you are not going to give them. Okay, this is the blood physics. Okay, so because the space is not enough, the number of feeders you are going to give them will not still be enough. And as a result of that, you find out that some birds will be eating and be growing bigger, while others will not be eating well. So the ones that are eating and growing bigger, at night, when they cluster together, especially when they are feeling cold, they will stampede on top of the smaller ones. And in the morning, when you come in the morning, you will see dead birds. And you'll be thinking that it is a disease condition. It's not a disease condition. It is as a result of overcrowding. Okay. Okay, this is where I asked her to video the place where she placed the bed. Okay, you can see that this pen is well ventilated. It's an open place. So the advantage of this is that when you give that Tylosine, it's going to work. But if the place is not well ventilated, when you give your Tylosine, it's not going to work. The cough or the sneezing will still persist.